if a line is drawn to one side of the triangle. See here, in this triangle, how many sides? 3 sides. One side of the triangle, you are drawing one parallel line. One side of the triangle, you are drawing, see here, one side of the triangle, you are drawing one parallel line. So this side we are drawing one parallel line. Triangle, you are drawing one parallel line means what happens? It intersects to other 2 sides in a distinct point. You are drawing one parallel line means it is intersected other 2 sides. It intersects one distinct point. Now the other 2 sides divide in the 2 ratio. These other 2 sides are divided into the same ratio. This side divided into same ratio. Yes, here this line divided into 2 parts. So this is one part, this is one part. Again, this line also divided into 2 parts. This is one part, this is one part. These 2 parts in the same ratio. In the same ratio means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the question. Not understood means once again I will repeat. See here, one triangle is there. So one side to you are drawing one parallel line means this parallel line intersect the other 2 sides one distinct point. It intersect one distinct point means these 2 lines are divided into the same ratio. These 2 lines are divided into same ratio. So meaning what? This one by this one equal to this one by this one. This is the meaning of this question. Okay, see here. Theorems you are writing means you have to write 4 points. What is the first 4 points means? First we will write given. Next we will write to prove. Next we will write the construction. Next we will write the proof. So given means what? What is there in the question? That is the given. You read the question, what is their meaning is there? You write in the given. To prove means what we have to prove. Finally, what we have to prove, that one you write to prove. Construction means in this question, any constructions you are doing means you write in the construction. Construction is there means write the construction. Otherwise, don't write. Okay. Next to proof. Proof means what? Which procedure you are going, that is the proof. These 4 things we have to write in the theorem. Shall we start? First, we will write the given. What is there in the question? First, we will write the given. Given what is there? ABC, one triangle. You write here in triangle ABC. What is there again in this one? DE parallel to BC. This one parallel to this one is there. So in triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC. Write it. Given is finished. Next we will write to prove. To prove what is there? These 2 lines in the same ratio is there. So that meaning what? AD by DB is equal to AB by EC. That one you write here. AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So that one you write it to prove. Next we have to write the construction. What is the construction is there? Join BE. So now you join BE. Okay, with red pen is there now, that full construction. Join BE, join CD. Okay. Next again what is the construction is there? Draw DM perpendicular to AC. You draw one DM perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. DM is perpendicular to AC. This full perpendicular. DM is perpendicular to AC. Next CN. This CN is there now. This CN is perpendicular to AB. CN is perpendicular to AB. This is the construction. This red pen full is the construction. Next we will write the proof. What is the proof is there? This is very important. Carefully see here. See here, I will explain here. See here. In the proof you observe, first you want AD and DB want. AD want, DB want. So this proof you keep in your mind and write the proof. So first you want AD. AD want means which triangle you take? ADE triangle you take. Okay. Next DB want. DB want means this triangle chance is there. See, BDE triangle, this triangle. So we will take first this triangle. Next we will take this triangle. So now I am doing here. See, here I will explain. See here, you want AD by DB want. So which triangle we will take? This triangle we will take ADE. So triangle ADE. So area of triangle ADE. See here, area of triangle formula what? Half into base into height. Already you know, area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. So now we are taking this triangle. This triangle by this triangle. See, observe, I will write here. This triangle we are taking. DBE. DBE triangle. So area of triangle DBE. These two triangles we are taking. Area of triangle means half into base into height. Half into ADA triangle. What is the base? AD is the base. AD is the base. Into height, what? This is the base means this is the height. Try to understand. This is the base means this is the height. What is the height? En is the height. Okay. Next we will come this triangle. Which triangle? DPE triangle. This triangle means this is the base. Half into what is the base? DB is the base. Into, see beta, height. This triangle also same height. This triangle also, this is only height. Okay. Here to see here. This is closing here. So this is the height. See here. This triangle also, this is only height. This triangle also, this is only height. So here what is the height? En is the height. Okay. Now any same is there means you can cancel it. See half of cancel. En cancel. What is remain? AD by DB. Okay. This is the first equation. You keep it first equation. This is finished. Next, you have to prove what? AE by EC. You have to prove. AE by EC you have to prove. AE want means which triangle you will take? Again same ADE triangle. So area of triangle. Which triangle? Same triangle you take. Triangle ADE. By which triangle? This now you take this triangle. Now you take this triangle. See here. Which triangle? CDE triangle. This triangle you take. Now take area of triangle CDE triangle. Now observe here, beta. See here. Now try to understand. See here. This triangle is there means this is the base. What is the base? A is the base. A is the base. Half into base into height. A is the base. Half into base means what? A is the weight. Base. Height what? DM is the height. See here, this is the base, this is the height. So height you write DM or MD, anyone you write height. Next you come this triangle. This triangle means what is the base? C is the base. Half into C is the base. Into height. This triangle also same height and this triangle. This is the base means this is only height. So what is the height? See here. Now which triangle we will take? This is the base. This is the base means what is the height? This is the height. Okay. What is the height? DM is the height. See here. This base means this is the height. This base means this is only height. This point you have to keep in your mind. See here. Half of cancel. DM cancel. What you will get? AE by CE you got. AE by EC or CE. Anyone you write it. This is the second equation. Now our proof what is there? Keep in your mind. AD by DB is equal to AD by DB is equal to AE by EC is there. AE by EC is there. So these two equal you have to prove. Now you observe these two equations. Means see here ADE same is there. But this is only different is there. This both equal you proved means finish. So here what is there? DBE is there. Here CDE is there. So DBE and this is what? CDE. This both triangles. This both triangles equal proved means finish. See here this triangle and this triangle equal you have to prove. Equal only these two triangles. Why means? See here. Any two parallel lines. See here. Any two parallel lines. Middle triangles. See here. Here one triangle is there. Here one triangle is there. So two parallel lines. Middle triangles are forming means the two triangles are equal length. See here. Here one triangle is there. Okay. Next I am taking here one more triangle. See here. Any triangles also, two parallel lines, middle triangles is there. Now those areas are equal. In 9th standard also is there. This is. So two parallel lines, middle forming triangles, those areas are equal. So these two are what? Parallel lines. These two parallel lines, middle, these two triangles are there. Okay. So these two areas are equal. So I am writing what? Area of triangle. Which triangle is there? DBE triangle equal to area of triangle. Which triangle? DB equal to CDE. CDE. these both are equal. What is the reason? Also you can write here. Reason what is there? See here, both lie on the same base and between the same parallels DE and BC. So these two are equal. Both lie on the same base and see here, both lie on the same base and between the same parallels. See here, base is same. This triangle, both are same base is there. What is the base? DE is the base. Try to understand this concept. This triangle standing on the same base. Note it. See this one. This triangle also same base DE, and this triangle also same base DE. Both triangles are standing at the same base and between the same parallels. So these two triangles areas are equal. So now you can write here the point. What is the point? Is that this triangle area equal to this triangle. Why means DBE triangle, CDE triangle, both areas are equal. What is the reason? Both are standing on the same base and between the same parallels. What is the base? D is the base. Parallels what? DE and BC. So these two triangles areas are equal. Areas are here. These two triangles areas are equal means DBE plus you can write CDE also. CDE plus you can write DBE also. Whatever you can write it. So these two areas are equal is there. So this place you can write CDE. So this is equal to, so you will get both are equal. So from first equation, from equation 1 to 3, we will get what? See here, AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. Why means these both are having equal areas. See here, DBE and CD, both are having equal areas. Equal areas means what? See here, this one equal to this one. So from equation 1, 2, 3, this is the third equation. So from equation 1 to 3, AD by DB equal to AE by EC. This is the answer. Learn Converse of BPT theorem. Okay, this is 6.2 theorem. What is the theorem is there? See, if a line divides any two sides of the triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to third side. See, if a line, this line, DE line, DE line divides two sides of the triangle. This side dividing equally. DE line, this DE line is there. Now, this line divides these two sides. This side dividing in the same ratio. Same ratio means AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So, then DE line is parallel to the third side. DE parallel to third side. So this is we have to prove. Okay. What is the BPT theorem is there? These two are parallel means this again remaining two sides are the proportional. So this is what is there. This line dividing these sides proportionally means this DE parallel to BC. So in this one we will do means first theorem is there means we will do four things. Given, to prove, and construction is there means construction, proof. Given means what? What is there in the question, that is the given. To prove means what we are proving, that is the to prove. Construction means which construction we are doing, that is the construction. Proof means which procedure you are going, that is the proof. Okay, what is given in the question? See what? In triangle, what is there in the question? In triangle ABC, these two are proportional is there. So we can write AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. This is the given. To prove what is there? DE parallel to BC. This one we have to parallel, we have to prove. Next, what is the construction is there? Construction, what is there means, see, DF is parallel to BC. We will construct, this is one, this red color is there now, that is the construction, red pen is there now, that is the construction. So DF is parallel to BC. DF is parallel to BC. This is the construction. What is the proof is there? Carefully listen. Now let us assume that DE is not parallel to BC. So now we can assume what? DE is not parallel to BC. Now we can assume this line is not parallel to BC. This line not parallel means what is the parallel? See here, DF is parallel to BC. See here, DE not parallel means what is the parallel? So DF is DF is parallel to BC. Okay, DF is parallel to BC. Now see here, DF is parallel to BC means what happens here? In triangle ABC, we will take in triangle ABC. Now we are taking what? DF parallel to BC. Parallel is there means these corresponding sides are proportional. Proportional means what we will take? AD by proportional. AD by DB equal to AF by AF by FC. AF by FC. What is the reason? BPT theorem. BPT, according to BPT theorem, this side by this side equal to AF by FC. But actually, what is there? This is the BPT theorem. Actually, what is there in the question? See here, what is there in the question? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So, what is the actually is there in the question? Means, see here, in the given, what is there? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. AE by EC. Okay, this is, you can take first equation, this one we will take second equation. So by construction, what is there? AD by DB is equal to AF by FC. But what is given in the question? AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So this is the first equation, this is the second equation. So from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, see here. From equation 1 and 2, see here what is there? AD by DB is there. And here also AD by DB is there. So this both same is there, means this two also equal. See here, this one, left hand side, AD by DB is there. Here also AD by DB is there. So this both same is there, means we can take, this is also equal. From equation 1 and 2, what we can take? AF by FC is equal to AE by EC. We can take it. Now taking after, what to do? Both sides we will add 1. So you write sentence like this, adding 1 both sides. Okay, here I will do only explanation, here fair notes is there. So now what is there? From both sides you can add it 1. See here I am adding 1. See here, AF by FC plus 1 equal to AE by EC plus 1. Okay, try to understand this one. Here nothing means what? 1. Here also nothing means what? 1. So what is the LCM? FC is the LCM. FC LCM is, here you will get AF plus, here what you will get? Same, FC will get is equal to, here also LCM what is there? EC is the LCM. So EC is closed means here same only you will get AE plus, here 1 is there. So same, what you will get? Same, EC you will get. Okay. Now see here, AF plus FC. See here, AF plus FC. AF plus FC means what is this? AC. So here we can write AC. AC by FC. Okay, is equal to AF AC by FC is equal to, now AE by EC is equal to what? This is also AC by EC. Try to understand. Here what is there? AF plus FC. AF plus FC. So overall you will get AC. Down same only you will get. Next here what is there? AE plus EC. AE plus EC. Overall what you will get? AC. So here you will get like this. Now what to do? See here, this AC cancel. Okay. What is remain? 1 by FC equal to 1 by EC. So now you can take upside also. FC equal to EC you will get. So here FC equal to EC you will get. Okay, this concept you have to do. Okay, this is clear, I think. Now see here fair notes also is there, same there. So FC is equal to EC is there. So FC is equal to FC is equal to EC is there. FC is equal to EC is there. So two places point no chance. So this meaning what? FC is equal to EC is there. FC is equal to EC is there. So what is the chance is there? F and E are the coincident. Coincident means what? This F point is there, no? And the E place only is there. Coincident means in this place only this F point is there. This meaning what? F and E are the coincident. So this F point is there. Now what is the chance is there? It is on the E place only. So this is called coincident. F, E, same place is there means that is called the coincident. So same place is there means this meaning what? DE parallel to BC. This F also same place only F is there. So according to this one, DE is equal to BC is the answer. This is the question.